Hello, this is Teresa, Simply Diva, and today I am going to be making the absolute almond pound cake. And I'm going to show you all the ingredients that you need to make this absolute total pound cake. Absolute almond pound cake. It's like two simple ingredients. How simple? Well, let's go back. 3. You need this box by Tastefully Simple, and you can get it from me. And you need a stick and a half of butter. And I'm going to go melt that right now while I'm talking to you. So that's actually 3/4 cup of butter. And I'm about to melt that now. 3/4 cup of butter equals to 12 tablespoons of butter, or just get a stick and a half of butter. You also are going to need 1 cup of water, okay, to go into this product here. And you're going to set your oven at 325 degrees for temperature. Preheat it for 325 degrees. It's going to bake for like 50 minutes, and you're going to be using a loaf pan for this particular recipe. So you need a 9x5 loaf pan to bake this in. So we're going to get started. So I'm melting the butter, and now I'm going to take this and I'm going to open it up. So I'm going to pull this camera over here. I'm taking this and I'm opening up, and so, this is one of our lovely products by Tastefully Simple. Easy peasy. Everything that you need to make this pound cake is already included in this container. So you don't need any eggs, any baking soda, anything of that nature, because everything is here for you. So I am now going to pour this powder mix inside of my mixing bowl. Okay? All right, so I want you to see everything I'm doing. So I'll bring this over here closer. Now I'm going to add the butter. Adding the butter is going to make it nice and rich. So you have all of your ingredients together, mixing it. I want you to see I'm mixing it. And now I'm going to add the cup of water to make it stir easier. Okay? This is so simple to make. All right, so let's see. It did say 1 cup of water. Okay. So now and it says for you to do not overmix. Batter will be lumpy. So we want to make sure that our batter looks a little like this. And I'm stirring gently. Oh, it smells so good because I smell that almond. I'm waking up them almond flavors in here. And I'm making sure that enough is mixed well. Okay? Mixed well in here. Then I'm going to add this to my 9x5 baking dish, and I will be right back. Okay, so now I have greased a 9x5 pan, and I'm going to also show you what our batter should look like. So now this is mixed really well, because now that the water has opened up the powder and the flours and all of the other ingredients to cause this to mix well, okay, it's now a nice thick consistency. So I am going to take my scraping spatula, and I'm going to, and I need to put the camera on what I'm getting ready to do. See if I'm going, yeah, here we go. I am going to scoop all of this in here into this Here is going all of this in here. Baking with Teresa, or baking with the diva. Let's get that straight. Baking with the diva. So I have a good portion of the almond batter in this 9x5 bowl, loaf pan. I'm going to spread it around to make sure it's evenly distributed, which it is. Okay, now, it is now exactly 7:13. We're going to set this for exactly 50 minutes, and I will be back to share with you how this turned out. Okay? So get your mouth watering. Ooh, got some on me. Get my mouth watering, and I'm going to see you on the other side of bake. Bye-bye. Well, I'm back because I think it's time for us to check the ultimate, I keep calling ultimate, the absolute almond pound cake. And I'm getting ready to pull it out, so get ready. So here we have this warm, and I can't touch it because it's hot, pound cake. I'm going to place it right here. I'm going to move this over so you can see more. We have this pound cake. I'm going to turn the oven off. I have been baking this for about 60 minutes. So I wanted to make sure that, ooh, it's not, yes, ladies, it's nice and ready. Oh, I am excited. Now, I'm going to show you, these are our initial ink oven mitts. They still might be available at 50% off. But here is the almond pound cake. Let you, I wish you had smell aroma that you could smell right through this here, because this smells really good. And at the end, once it's cooled, I will slice this. So this was really quick, really simple to make. So if you're having guests over and you need something quick to make for dessert, try the pound cake, the absolute almond pound cake. And I will see you later. This is Simply Diva, doing it diva style. See you later. Bye-bye.